When managing a bustling office, a reliable network is key. This makes the Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, an important tool. Configuring SNMP on a Cisco Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch lets you monitor and manage network devices efficiently, even non-Cisco devices. Think of SNMP as a helpful assistant that alerts you when something needs attention, such as a device going offline or reaching capacity. It provides valuable insights, including system uptime, device information, and network performance, enabling you to address issues proactively and maintain optimal network performance. For businesses, this means fewer network disruptions, better resource management, and a more reliable infrastructure. Understanding SNMP can enhance your network's efficiency and reliability. SNMPv2c and SNMPv3 are the most commonly implemented versions available today. There are some important differences between them. Understanding these differences and their benefits can help you select the right protocol for your network needs. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, version 2C and version 3 on Catalyst 1200 or 1300 series switches. Next. SNMPv2c, or SNMP version 2 community-based, is an enhancement over the original SNMP version 1. It introduced improvements in performance and efficiency, making it suitable for managing a wide range of network devices. SNMPv2c retains the community-based security model, which relies on a community string for authentication. This string acts as a password that grants access to the management data of network devices. The biggest advantage of version 2c is that it is easy to configure and simple to use. It lets you monitor network performance, gather statistics, and manage device configurations with minimal setup. It is best suited for small to medium-sized networks, where ease of use and quick deployment are a priority over security. Despite its advantages, the lack of encryption and robust security features is a drawback. The community strings are transmitted in plain text, making them vulnerable to interception by unauthorized users. If security is your priority, SNMPv3 may be what you need. It is the most recent version of the protocol. The key benefit of SNMPv3 is its enhanced security framework, including authentication and encryption. It can ensure that only authorized users can access network management data. This is achieved through user-based security models that can use algorithms like MD5 or SHA to verify user credentials. SNMPv3 can encrypt messages to keep data private, ensuring that sensitive information is not exposed to unauthorized parties during transmission. This is done using algorithms like DES or AES for encrypting the data. SNMPv3 offers 3 levels of security, offering flexibility. On a case-by-case basis, you can choose the level of protection based on your security needs and the sensitivity of the data being managed. The lowest level of protection is no auth, no priv, no authentication, no privacy. This is similar to earlier versions of SNMP. The next level, auth, no priv, authentication without privacy, requires user authentication but does not encrypt the data. It ensures that only authenticated users can access the network management system, but the data itself is not encrypted and can be read if intercepted. The highest level of security offered by version 3 is auth-priv. It combines both authentication and encryption. This means that only authorized users can access the data. The data remains confidential and protected from eavesdropping. These superior security features require more complex configuration and management. Therefore, SNMPv3 is best suited for larger businesses or organizations that manage highly sensitive information. There you have it. SNMPv2c and SNMPv3 each offer distinct advantages that cater to different network management needs. If you decide to configure SNMP on your Catalyst 1200 or 1300 series switch, click the link in the description for details. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.